Hello and welcome to the shed. So just a quick video today, day before Christmas, or 2 days before Christmas on the Saturday. Happy Christmas, by the way. My shower pump bust. We managed to limp it through Christmas, but we have to keep turning it on and off at the mains. So the valve that detects, so it's a blustery day today, really is windy. Storm Gerrit apparently. So yeah, the valve that detects where the water's flowing through, that turns the pump on and off, failed, and it thinks it's on all the time. So we've sort of managed to make our way through Christmas. It's now that zone between Christmas and New Year where you don't know what you're supposed to be doing. So I thought I'd fit it today as it arrived, and I've done a short video. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so this is the current setup. Obviously, like most airing cupboards, it's a bit messy and a bit tricky to get in and out of. So the current pump is here. You'll see that I've already labelled up the pipes just now, just to help with the operation. I've also labelled up this box that I made. Now I made this for the old shower pump, this is the broken one, so that I could pack it with foam, but I've got a feeling it may be overheated, so perhaps that was a bad idea. So basically the inlet valve that turns on the pump, so as soon as there's some flow, the pump should kick in. That's not working. So if I put power to it, straight away it tries to pump, which is no good. You can also tell it's pretty noisy, so we want to try and do something about that as well. Hopefully the new pump, which is pretty much the same sort of thing, this is a 2.6 bar unit, and that's a 2 bar unit. This is a twin pump, same as that one, and so the only difference with this one is that the twin part of it is separated by the pump in the middle, or the unit in the middle. So I've got to spread my pipes apart, which is why I've labelled them up. I've also put hot and cold on here, which, you know, I've just picked an arbitrary setup. So that's what we're going to do. So first thing to do, turn off the pipes coming in, disconnect the electric. In fact, let's do the electricity first. Back in a mo. Okay, so the power's off. Turn that on. No shower, no light. I might just pop the fuse out as well, just to make sure. You won't be able to see all of this, and I can't keep moving the camera for every single piece. Fuse out. Stick that there. Okay, first thing to do, turn off the power. Second thing, turn off the water in. So this one's hot, that's on a gateway switch there, and this one is on a tap here. Another thing I need to do is stick a towel underneath. Okay, so the cold in, hot in can come off here. One. That's why I've got the towel. Two. And actually I need to turn these taps off as well, because they're going to be running back. So this is the outlets I'm going to turn off. Hopefully that will stop anything running back. Okay, that's those 4 done. Then we can take off the outlets. Got a little bit of leakage coming out of there. Looks like it might be, that's not turning off properly. It could be just what's in the pipe. Let me get something to let that run into. Well, it seems to stop. You can probably hear the water heater going again. I had to get everyone to have a shower before I did this. Okay, that's the old pump. Okay. These are on their own circuit, by the way, in case you're wondering why there's still a light on there. And just to make super sure that we've got no power there, I'll run a quick test. Don't know if you can see that. Okay, nothing in there, that's good. So this is my new pump cable, comes pre-fitted. So we need to take out this side of things and redo it. That's better. Okay, only has a 5 amp fuse. Does that sound right? That sounds a bit low to me, but anyway. Okay, still no power because we're still switched off. Good. Okay, so that's the new pump wired. Say goodbye to the old pump. I'd like to find something to do with that, but I'm not sure what I can use it for. Okay. Alright, so I need to replace these end pieces with the supplied braided hoses. Seems to be a sensible thing to do. So we're going hot this side, in is nearest to me. Everyone says you shouldn't use these, but they seem to do the job. And as they supply them with the unit, they can't be that bad. It's a bit weird. This pump has a rubber mounting, so it should hopefully have less vibration. There we go. Hot out is this one. You're not going to be able to see very much of this, I understand. Already got a leak there, that can't be right. What am I doing wrong with those push fit hoses? That can't be right, surely. Do they need pressure to make them work? No, that's not right. Something's wrong there. So unsurprisingly, it was a schoolboy error. On the end of each pipe there is a little insert, collet, whatever you want to call it, which I wasn't supplied with the pump. So I'm just going to reuse these, and that just seats into the rubber and gives you your seal. So I've redone that one. That water it's off at the moment because I've got the outlet to do. Job I've got my towel, isn't it? That's it. Push that home. That's better. That's now working. I have to have a bit of a clean up. Let's just turn that on, see if we get any leaks. Looks all right. Okay, so that's one side done. We'll tidy up in a second. So cold out is here. Now the problem here I've got is that it's actually a bit short, that pipe. That's all of them. Yeah, I had a problem before where I couldn't get the shower mixer to work, and it was because I hadn't turned one of these on fully. It felt like it had gone all the way, but it hadn't. So I learned that lesson as well. Every day is a school day. Okay, let's go and get some power and see if we can make it work. Hopefully when I turn the power on, the pump won't switch on. Yeah, these things, this is what's called a positive head pump. So you have to have some flow before it'll work. The negative ones are a bit more expensive because they suck rather than rely on the flow already being there. You need 0.8 litres per minute flow. I checked at the shower head with no pump and I got a whole litre in 35 seconds, so well over a litre a minute. So I'm okay on that. Right, let's go and turn the power on. Okay, power is on downstairs. We are all set up. I will run some cable ties in a moment once we've got it working. So I'm going to turn on the main power. Hopefully nothing will blow up. Might get the pump might buzz for a second. It didn't. Okay, I think that's a good sign. Okay, let's go over to the shower and see if we can turn it on. Okay, so we're in the shower. I'm not going to show you my shower cubicle because somebody will comment that I need to get some limescale cleaner. Here we go, let's turn it on. Should hopefully come on. Beautiful. Straight away responded. I'll try the mix in a minute. Oh, see a reflection in there, that's good. Excellent stuff. And that's on full power now. Nothing wrong with that, and it's nice and quiet. Okay, so that's a success. I've tidied up the cable, put a little bit of the foam in there, but not too much because I don't want it to overheat. So it's sort of, it can move, hopefully it won't vibrate too much. Yes, so successful fitting, pretty easy to do really, you don't really need a guide. I just thought I'd bring you on the journey, just one of those things, maintenance jobs that you need to do, always when Christmas arrives. This went the day before Christmas of course, but I ordered it and it arrived this morning. Okay, thanks for watching, have a good new year, see you on the next one.